Hello everyone, and from the title, you might have guessed that we are going to see how to code on your phone. So, for coding on your own phone or mobile, it must have a Wi Fi connection for the website to actually work properly, because the website cannot be connected if you do not have a Wi Fi. So, first of all, go to your favorite browser. My favorite browser is, as you see, type in REPL.IT and search it. Now you will get to their home page. So let this video start. You will have an invite option after you sign in, and you can add your friends so that you can actually live code and edit your code on a live base. So as you can see, there are different people actually coding together. So these all things are there over here. There is a community, and let's click on start coding right now. After that, you will have an option of continue with Google, continue with GitHub, and continue with Facebook. So I am going to do continue with Google. So I already have my username and email and password in the Google Gmail account, so I will not have to add a Gmail account again. After you have signed in, it will ask you some questions like which coding languages do you like, and what is your username you want to keep. So you have an example over here. I'll just cut the video here and continue with Google. So as you can see, after signing in my Google account, I have got to this page, and I had made these projects so of Python, Node.js and PHP. So you have more than 50 languages here. So for starting to code in HTML, I'll just show you where you have to click. So click over here, the plus button, and you will have an option of language. I'll just show how many languages there are: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, QBasic, Python, C, C++, Java, Ruby, Scheme, Go, and all those languages. So right now we just need HTML, CSS, JavaScript. After that, give a name to your REPL. You can even do this on your laptop if you have not installed any code editor. So if you want to keep your laptop's storage space cleared, you can do this, but you will need a stable internet connection for this, as I told before in the start. So let's name the REPL testing. Okay, now after you have named it and after you have chosen the language, click on create REPL. Okay, now you all might have a question, why is this import from GitHub here? So your REPLs can be added directly from the GitHub code. So after you put the GitHub URL, you can edit your code over here and save it. Okay, testing. Yeah, so now click on create REPL. Now just wait for a bit. It has started. Now you will see index.html here, but if you want to switch from this file, then click on files, and you will have an option of different files. So for example, JavaScript and CSS3. I'll just show you an example of typing in the code. So I'll type in hello world, hello world, and now I will go to web and run it. As you can see, hello world came here. I'll again show an example of input text. You will have an option of curly brackets, normal brackets, and greater than, less than symbols. Now here you can type in input. You can check out other videos on my playlists. They are CSS tutorials, HTML basics, and HTML intermediate. Now let's type in input, type text. If you have autocorrect on, then sometimes this happens. Text. Now let's give it a placeholder of name. Placeholder. Holder. Name. Now let's go to web over here and run this code. Name. I can type in alphabets, I can type in numbers, I can type in symbols. So whatever is on your keyboard, you can type it in. For example, I can even type it different language, like in Hindi. Here you see this. I'll type one word. I'll type arm. So as you can see, I can even type in Hindi. Now you can go back to your code and web to see what you have, see what output is here, and code for changing. Console is in JavaScript, and we will have a video about it later. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Take care.